Underwater data centers, designed to store sensitive information, might face unexpected threats from loud noises. Recent research indicates that these noise levels could potentially disrupt the functioning of these submerged facilities, posing a risk to the security of the data they hold. This revelation raises concerns about the reliability and safety of underwater data storage solutions, which are increasingly being considered for their cooling efficiency and reduced land usage. As data security becomes a growing priority, the impact of environmental noise on these high-tech storage options could necessitate new protective measures to ensure their integrity.